Okay, guys, we are from second group. And any question?
I want to ask.
Yes, go ahead.
I want to ask Clara.
The first.
Okay, okay. Yes, please. Your question.
I want to ask how to make sure the type of the test which we have choose is good for the students.
Okay. Next.
Nine.
Next question. Ada gue.
I want
Can I?
I want to ask.
I want to ask.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Nurul.
Adinda first.
Okay, thank you. I want
Oh,
to
you
ask.
first, yes.
Nining apa?
On-
Nining. Or Nurul?
Nurul.
Three tadi gue udah.
Already.
Oh, okay.
Who the next? I'm or Adinda?
Nurul.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. My question is, what should we do to make a good quality of the test? Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anyone else want to
Me,
ask?
please. Adinda.
Nube. Okay.
I want to ask when is the right time using the three type of testing?
Sorry. Repeat.
When is the right time use three type of testing?
Okay. Oke, 3 dulu kali. Oke, next. Anyone else?
Me,
Siapa? Who? Adisti. Oke.
I want to ask, can you tell us what is the example of achievement test?
Apa? Wait.
The example of achievement test.
Oh, ya. Oke.
Okay, thank you.
Ya.
Lara, I think we have to answer the three question first.
Oh, oke.
Okay, I want to answer the question from Triwahyu Ningsi, and the question is how to make sure that the teacher choose the test is right for the student, right? And I think first we have to know the benefits of the test that we choose for student, because when there is no benefit for student, I think there is no good test. And the second is we have to match the test with the material that's been explained with the teacher. And I think that is to make sure that the test is good for student. It's
Okay,
clear,
it's clear.
Triwaningsi?
Nining.
Clear. Clear.
Okay, next question.
I'm going to answer Nurul question.
Nurul. Okay.
Yeah, the question is, what should we do to make a good quality of the test? Right, Nurul? So my answer is, a good testing should be able to measure all the factors involved, in which each component factors will have different level. Therefore, for testing to be fully effective, it should be run to perform each measurement related to factors and also make real quality and visible. Is that clear, Nurul?
Yes, thank you very much, Nadia.
Welcome.
Okay, I will answer the Adinda question. The question is, when is the right time to use three types of testing? So my answer is, it based on problems. If it is your students is too much or it's not, it you cannot correct the test too much, you can use CBT test or anything. So it can uh, wait menyelesaikan your problem, like
Problem solving.
yes, based on your problem.
Yeah.
The point is that. Thank you. Is it clear, Nube? Adinda?
Thank you, Acha.
Okay, the Adisti question will be the answer by.
Okay.
Okay, I will be
Okay,
answer.
this is the question.
Oh,
Uh,
Retno, try to answer, Clara.
okay.
okay. Okay, this is the question. Example of our achievement test. They are spelling test, time time arithmetic test, and math quiz. There are the answer from Adisti. Okay, now
Is it clear?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. The second session question. Any question? Anyone else? Anyone?
Can I ask?
Anissa ya? Anissa Zahra. Okay.
Yeah. What is the more effective method between oral and writing test?
Sorry, repeat.
Oh, yeah. What is the more effective method between oral method between oral and written test?
Thank you. Now I can see your face.
Okay, I will try to answer Anissa question. In my opinion, it depends on before you take a test to the students, you should give evaluating to the student first before you take final exam. For example, usually teacher give a monthly test, or we can call it pre-test. Yeah, during pre-test, the teacher should use a different kind of tests to the students. Whether the methods is good or not, the teacher evaluated their performance first. After that, the teacher should give a conclusion to choose a good test for the student, whether it is oral or written test. I think that's enough. Is that clear, Anissa? Or you have more to explain?
All clear.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone else?
Can I ask?
Okay, what happened? Clara Clarissa, you're in good condition now. Clara Clarissa?
I'm flu, sir.
Oh, wow. That's dangerous. You better take on your healthy then, yeah? Okay. And after so how did you guys conducted the Q&A? That's okay, you can proceed to the second section. Yeah, Clara Clarissa?
Yes, sir.
I'm leaving. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next session, right?
Ini buat Zoom lagi.
Leave. And I won't stop the recording, but terus mau join lagi, bikin kelas baru. I want to stop the recording, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, because it's a limited
Yeah.
time.
Rejoin again with the
Another link.
Another link.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. The next session, the second session of Q&A. Anyone else to ask? Hello. Any question?
I want to ask.
Who is it?
Zahra Tunisa.
Oh, Zahra Tunisa. Okay.
My question is, what is the purpose of test for student itself?
Oh. Can you repeat? Sorry.
What is the purpose of test for student itself?
Can you say it louder? Sorry.
Yeah.
What is the purpose of test for student itself?
Okay.
It's clear?
Yeah. Next. Next. Anyone else want to ask? Hello. Hello. Hello, guys.
Come on, guys. Try to question.
Hello, guys. Two more question, Fribble. Guys.
Come on, guys. If you don't have a question, we have a question for you.
Ah, we have a
So
question for
below,
you.
and we have to choose random.
Come on, guys. Guys. Guys.
I think no question anymore.
Okay.
I want to answer a question about Zahra. The question
Okay.
is a purpose of the test. I will explain about speed test. Purpose of the test is speed test. These tests aims to evaluate students in terms of speed of thought or skill, both spontaneity or logic, and memorization and understanding in the subjects they have learned. The time provided for answering of or completing test question is shorter than other tests because what is prioritized is minimal the time and being able to work on the test as much as possible properly and correctly. Example of speed tests include intelligence tests and test skill for assembling a tool. That's all for me.
Okay. I would like to add the Zahra question about the purpose of the test. The test purpose of the the purpose of the test in learning is to provide accurate information about the level of achievement in the learning process. So that decision can be made regarding what to do with student. Is it clear, Zahra?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Anyone else want to ask?
I wanna ask.
Who is it?
Hilwa.
Hilwa ya? Hilwa. Okay. Hilwa.
I wanna ask. What are the weakness of every type of the test?
The
Can
weakness
you
of
hear my voice?
every type.
Yeah.
Hilwa, the
Yeah.
weakness, right?
Yeah.
What's the question is what's the weakness of every test, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, the question will be the answer by Iksan. Iksan. Okay.
Okay. I will explain about the weakness of every test. The example is like written test. There have a weakness for written test because in the written test we just writing what are thing or what are comprehension, but not in practicum. But and the second example, the oral test. The weakness of oral test maybe it's not effective because if there are a lot of students, then there have too much time for doing the test, and the CBT test weakness uh, maybe sometimes there something wrong with the system of CBT. Maybe it's all my answer.
Okay, is it clear?
Okay, thank you.
Hilwa.
Yeah.
Is
It's clear.
okay, one more question again. Anyone else want to ask? Guys. Anyone to ask? Guys, anyone else want to ask? One more question again. Guys. Last question for this session, guys. Anyone else want to ask? Come on.
Come on, guys.
One more.
Or there is no more question.
Guys. guys. Hello, guys. Guys. Okay, it's clear. Okay, I think that's enough from our group. Sorry if we have the mistake. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.